Hi, today I'll be making a detailed comparison of Guidde and ScribeHow. In this video, we'll cover an in-depth overview of both, break down their main features, we'll talk about their pricing, the pros and cons, and finally I'll give you a balanced conclusion on which one I think delivers more accuracy in 2025. And of course, at the end, I'll also suggest 3 strong alternatives if neither feels like the right one for you. Guidde is a newer AI-powered platform that focuses on video tutorials. Its strength lies in capturing your workflow visually, then automatically enhancing it with features like voiceovers, music, transitions, and even branded styling. Think of it as an AI assistant for making polished how-to videos in just a few clicks. Guidde is built for those who want their tutorials to be more engaging, more visual, and more suited for customer-facing training or product demos. On the other hand, ScribeHow, or simply Scribe, takes a different approach. It's designed to capture your workflow in a step-by-step, screenshots-based format. You hit record, perform the task, and Scribe automatically generates a clean, structured guide with screenshots, annotations, and instructions. Instead of long videos, you get a quick and easy to follow written tutorial. This makes it incredibly efficient for internal documentation, onboarding, and knowledge sharing. Now let us talk about the main features of both platforms. We start with Guidde. Capture and creation. Guidde lets you capture your workflow as a video walkthrough. It records your screen and it turns it into a video guide. You can then layer in AI-generated voiceovers, background music, and transitions to make it more engaging. Scribe, however, on the other hand, in contrast, captures every click and keystroke while you perform a task. It then automatically takes screenshots and turns them into a clean, step-by-step written guide. How about format and output? How do they combine? Guidde shines when you want to deliver video content. You can export to MP4, to PDF, or even slide decks like PowerPoint. You can embed these videos directly into help centers, into websites, or training portals. On the other hand, ScribeHow produces visual documents like PDF guides, web-based instructions, sometimes HTML exports, and even Markdown for developers. These are lightweight, easy to skim, and perfect for knowledge bases. How about editing and customization? Guidde emphasizes sharing externally. It gives you link sharing, embed codes, and advanced privacy controls for enterprise plan, and it's strong for customer-facing tutorials and product walkthroughs. ScribeHow, however, is built for a team. It integrates tightly with tools like Confluence, Notion, and Slack, and you can quickly embed a scribe into your company's knowledge hub or share it with teammates in just a link. Let us talk about scalability and limits. Guidde's free plan lets you make up to about 25 videos, and after that you need a paid plan for unlimited use, desktop recording, and advanced exports. ScribeHow, however, can handle longer processes with hundreds of steps, which makes it great for large SOPs. However, advanced exports and organizational features also require the paid plans. Now let us talk about the pricing of both platforms. For Guidde, there is the free plan, which costs you $0 per creator per month, and you have limits as to what you can do, but you can get started for free. There is the pro plan at $16 per creator per month, a business plan at $35 per creator per month, and a 14-day free trial that comes with it, and an enterprise plan which is custom made for organizations. For ScribeHow, there's also a basic plan which is free. It has limitations, but it's easy to get started for free. There's a Pro Team plan which starts at $12 per seat month, and there's the Pro Personal plan at $23 per seat month. What are the pros and cons of using both platforms? We start with Guidde, the pros. It is fantastic for video-based tutorials with AI voiceovers, transitions, and music. It is great for customer-facing demos and polished walkthroughs. And you can export in multiple formats including videos and slides. How about the pros of ScribeHow? Extremely fast and simple to create step-by-step guides. It is lightweight and easy to edit. It is perfect for internal documentations and SOPs. How about the cons? For Guide, it is more complex to use and heavier on resources compared to Scribe. And the free plan is limited. Definitely the advanced features are locked behind higher tiers. And the cons of ScribeHow? It is weak on video. The free plan is also limited. Advanced features require upgrades. Alright, so which one should you choose in 2025? Well, it depends on what you're doing. If you're trying to make customer-facing tutorials, product demos, or engaging walkthroughs where the polish and presentation really matter, then you definitely need Guide. It's the stronger choice. It makes your tutorials feel more alive with motion, narration, and branding. But if you're mainly focused on internal training, SOPs, or quick reference guides, then ScribeHow will probably be a better fit because it's faster, it's lighter, and it's perfect for turning repetitive tasks into structured, shareable documentation. And that's it on the comparison between Guide and ScribeHow. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Loom, Trainual, and Tropier. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.